Are you struggling to run PowerShell scripts in your GitLab CI pipeline? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to effectively use PowerShell with GitLab CI for deploying to GitLab Pages. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you have a script ready to go, but it just won't execute. Many users face this issue, especially when integrating different technologies like PowerShell and GitLab CI. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to use PowerShell commands in their GitLab CI configuration file, specifically when trying to execute a build script. They encountered an error stating that the command was not found. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The error message suggests that the GitLab CI runner is not recognizing the PowerShell script. This often happens due to incorrect paths or the runner not being configured to use PowerShell. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can save you a lot of headaches when working with GitLab CI and PowerShell. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that PowerShell is available in the GitLab CI environment. The user should specify the shell to use in the .gitlab-ci.yml file. Next, the user should modify the script section to ensure that the PowerShell script is executed correctly. This involves using the correct syntax for calling the script. Now the user should ensure that the build.ps1 script is located in the correct directory. It should be in the root of the repository or the specified path in the .gitlab-ci.yml file. Finally, the user should test the pipeline to confirm that the changes work as expected. They can do this by pushing the updated .gitlab-ci.yml file to the master branch. Fun fact, did you know that PowerShell was originally designed to help system administrators automate tasks? Now it's a powerful tool for developers too. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using a different Docker image for PowerShell in GitLab CI. Instead of the outdated image, try using mcr.microsoft.com/PowerShell-latest. This allows you to run your PowerShell scripts without issues. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution for using PowerShell in GitLab CI is to modify your script. A user suggests adding a specific line at the top of your PowerShell file. This line updates the environment path to include the npm directory from the app data folder. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your scripts locally before pushing them to GitLab CI. This can save you time and frustration by catching errors early. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to run your PowerShell scripts in GitLab CI without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.